the Igbo man is prostitutional in his political activity. If you look at historically, the Igbo man will likely take whatever and just forget and just say, look, give me and let me move forward. And like our brothers in the north who will, whom a lot of people think that they organize better. In fact, better than the Southwesterner. There are a lot of people believe that Yorubas are a bit more organized politically speaking. Although there are also issues. A Yoruba president will be more criticized by the Yoruba man. But you have a tendency that a northern president will have a quieter reign when he's in office because his fellow northerners will, but that you will see a lot, the Igbo man will be attacked, pulled down by his fellow Igbo people. That oneness politically is not there.